In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change header background color in WordPress. If you want to give your website a fresh new look, updating the header background color is a simple change that can make a big visual impact. Your header is one of the first things visitors see, so choosing the right color can help your branding stand out and make your site feel more polished and consistent. To get started, go to your WordPress site editor. This is where you can customize the layout and appearance of different parts of your website, including the header. Once the editor opens, you'll be able to see a preview of your site and interact directly with the elements on the page. Next, click directly on your header section block. Make sure you're selecting the actual header area and not another block inside it, such as a logo, navigation menu, or site title. Selecting the full header block is important because that's what allows you to change the background color for the entire section instead of just one small element. After the header block is selected, look over to the right-hand sidebar and click the Styles icon. This area gives you access to the design settings for the selected block. If you don't immediately see the sidebar, you may need to make sure the block is active by clicking on the header again. Once you're in the style settings, click on Color. This section controls the visual color options for the selected block and usually includes settings for text, background, and sometimes links or other elements depending on your theme. From there, click on Background. This is the option that lets you change the color behind your header content. When you open it, you'll typically see a color palette with preset options. And in some cases, you may also be able to choose a custom color that better matches your brand or design preferences. Now, select your new color, and once you're happy with how it looks in the preview, click Save. Saving is the final step that applies the change to your live site. Before you finish, it's a good idea to quickly review the header and make sure the text or menu items are still easy to read against the new background color. And that's it. You've successfully changed the header background color in WordPress. It's a small edit, but it can make a big difference in the overall style of your website.